In the ever-evolving world of photography, Nikon has consistently been at the forefront of innovation. Building upon its legacy of producing high-quality cameras, Nikon is set to introduce the Nikon Z90, a groundbreaking APS-C mirrorless camera that promises to redefine the standards of performance and versatility in its class. Designed to cater to both professionals and enthusiasts, the Z90 is poised to become the go-to choice for those seeking a compact, yet powerful imaging solution. 1. A new era in APS-C mirrorless photography. The Nikon Z90 represents a significant leap forward in the APS-C mirrorless segment. With its advanced features and robust build, it aims to fill the gap between entry-level models and full-frame powerhouses. Whether you're a wildlife photographer capturing elusive creatures or a sports photographer freezing fast-paced action, the Z90 is engineered to meet your demands. 2. Unparalleled image quality with a 33MP DX sensor. At the heart of the Nikon Z90 lies a newly developed 33.4 megapixel DX format CMOS sensor, delivering exceptional image quality with remarkable detail and clarity. This high-resolution sensor ensures that every shot you take is rich in color and sharpness, making it ideal for large prints and detail cropping. 3. APS-C image processor, speed and efficiency redefined. The Z90 is powered by Nikon's latest APS-C image processor, which enhances overall performance, including faster image processing, improved autofocus capabilities, and superior low-light performance. This powerful processor ensures that the camera operates smoothly, allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot. 4. Advanced autofocus system for precision shooting. Equipped with an AI-powered autofocus system, the Nikon Z90 offers advanced 3D tracking and subject recognition. With the ability to detect and track 9 different subject types, including humans, animals, and vehicles, you can trust the Z90 to maintain sharp focus, even in challenging shooting conditions. 5. High-speed continuous shooting. For photographers who need to capture fast-moving subjects, the Z90 delivers with its 15 frames per second FPS continuous shooting capability using the mechanical shutter. This high-speed performance ensures that you never miss a critical moment, whether you're photographing a sporting event or wildlife in motion. 6. Exceptional video capabilities. The Nikon Z90 is not just a still photography powerhouse. It's also a formidable video camera. With UHD 4K recording at 60p and Full HD recording up to 180 frames per second, videographers can capture stunning, high-resolution footage with smooth motion. The camera's ability to record over sampled 4K video ensures exceptional detail and clarity in your videos. 7. In-body image stabilization, IBIS. To combat camera shake and ensure sharp images, the Z90 features a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system, providing up to 6 stops of compensation. This feature is particularly beneficial when shooting handheld or in low-light conditions, allowing for greater flexibility and creativity. 8. Ergonomic design and user-friendly interface. The Nikon Z90 boasts a compact and lightweight design, making it comfortable to hold during extended shooting sessions. Its 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen LCD offers intuitive controls and easy navigation through menus, while the weather-sealed body ensures durability in various shooting environments. 9. Dual card slots for versatile storage options. Understanding the importance of reliable storage, the Z90 is equipped with dual card slots, supporting both CF Express Type B and UHS-2 SD cards. This setup provides photographers with flexible storage options, faster data transfer speeds, and the ability to create instant backups during shoots. 10. Seamless connectivity for modern workflows. The Nikon Z90 offers robust connectivity options, including 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enabling seamless transfer of images and remote camera control via compatible devices. These features streamline your workflow, allowing for quick sharing and efficient management of your photography projects. 11. Compatibility with Nikon Z mount lenses. The Z90 utilizes the versatile Nikon Z mount, granting access to a wide range of high-quality lenses. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or action scenes, the extensive selection of Z-mount lenses ensures that you have the right tool for every photographic endeavor. 12. Enhanced low-light performance. With a native ISO range of 100 to 51,200, expandable further, the Nikon Z90 excels in low-light conditions. Combined with its advanced sensor and image processor, the camera produces clean, noise-free images, allowing photographers to shoot confidently in challenging lighting scenarios. 13. Customizable controls for personalized shooting experience. The Z90 offers a range of customizable buttons and dials, enabling photographers to tailor the camera's controls to their specific shooting style. This level of personalization ensures a more intuitive and efficient shooting experience, allowing you to focus on capturing the moment. 14. Long-lasting battery life. Designed for extended shooting sessions, the Nikon Z90 is equipped with a high-capacity battery that delivers impressive longevity. Whether you're on a day-long photo shoot or capturing a time-lapse sequence, the Z90's battery life ensures that you can keep shooting without interruption. 15. Competitive pricing for unmatched value. While official pricing details are yet to be announced, the Nikon Z90 is expected to offer exceptional value, providing professional-grade features at a competitive price point. This balance of performance and affordability makes it an attractive option for photographers seeking high-end capabilities without breaking the bank. Conclusion. The Nikon Z90 is poised to make a significant impact in the APS-C mirrorless camera market. With its combination of high-resolution imaging, advanced autofocus, robust video capabilities, and user-friendly design, it caters to a wide range of photographers and videographers. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an enthusiastic hobbyist, the Z90 offers the tools and performance needed to elevate your creative pursuits.